Hey everyone, it's me Jenny and welcome to the channel Livingly Knee. So in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet this puff flower, 5 petals puff flower. This is how it looks like from the front, the side and the back. Okay, I'm sure you can find a lot of tutorial on YouTube on how to crochet puff flower. So I am at the middle of crocheting a lot of puff flower to make a project. So why not I show you how to crochet while I'm doing a big project. Okay, so what you need is yarn of your choice. Okay, so grab your yarn and crochet hook. For this tutorial I'm using worsted weight yarn or medium weight yarn number 4 and 5mm crochet hook. Okay, so first we're going to do the white part right here. Grab your yarn and you're going to make a magic loop. You can do your magic loop however way that you prefer. This is how I do mine. Wrap the yarn around fingers as you're going to crochet. Hold it right there. Twist the yarn and hold it right there. And hook in the loop, yarn over and pull the loop through. So the magic loop. Now we're going to chain 1 and make 10 single crochet. Okay, this chain 1 does not count as stitch count. Now we're going to make 10 single crochet. So to make a single crochet, you're going to bring the hook through the loop, yarn over, bring the yarn through the loop. Now you have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Now yarn over and bring the yarn to both loops. So this is the first single crochet. Now go ahead and make the rest. Total 10 single crochet. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so once you make 10 single crochet, now we're going to pull this tail right here to close the hole at the middle. Okay, now we're going to slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch right here. It's a little bit hard to see because of the yarn color and the background. It's at the first single crochet right here. Okay, now chain 1 to secure stitches and cut the yarn. Now grab your main color. For me, I'm going to be using blue yarn, and you're going to make a slip knot. You can start in any stitch right here, but I'm going to start where I finish this round right here at the first single crochet stitch. Bring the loop through the stitch. Okay, so now we're going to chain 2. 1, 2. Okay, so to make each petal, we're going to use up 2 stitch. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2. Each petal we're going to use up 2 stitch. So to make the petal, we're going to crochet as if we're crocheting double crochet but halfway. Okay, so yarn over. We're going to make 3 on each stitch, 3 of the halfway double crochet. Yarn over, hook in the same stitch right here, the first stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Okay, so this is the halfway double crochet. Now we're going to do again, yarn over, hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, again, yarn over in the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. Okay, so we made 3 of the halfway double crochet, 1 2 3. So this is the chain 2. So in the next stitch we're going to do 3 of the halfway double crochet as well. Okay, so in the next stitch right here, yarn over, pull through 2 stitch, the second one, pull through 2 stitch, yarn over, and in the same stitch pull through 2 stitch. Okay, so you should have 7 loops, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so now we're going to yarn over and we're going to bring this yarn through all 7 loops. Chain 3 1 2 3, and now we're going to slip stitch at the next stitch right here. Okay, so we're done with the first petal. Now we're going to do the second petal. So each petal you're going to start with chain 2 1 2. Okay, so after you make chain 2, now we're going to make 6 of the halfway double crochet. So we're going to make 3 in the same stitch where we did the slip stitch and chain 2, and 3 halfway double crochet at the following stitch, 3 and 3. Yarn over, 1 2 3. Okay, so we made 3 halfway double crochet right here, and we're going to make 3 more at the next stitch. Yarn over, hook in the stitch, yarn over, pull through 2, and okay, you should have 7 loops right there. Yarn over and pull the yarn through all 7 loops. Pull it tight. Chain 3 1 2 3, and slip stitch at the next stitch. Okay, we're done with the second petal. This is how it looks like. Now for the next petal, chain 2 1 2. We're going to make the halfway double crochet. We're going to make 3 in the same stitch right here, and 3 halfway double crochet in the next stitch. 1 2 and 3. Yarn over, pull through all 3, chain 3, and slip stitch at the next stitch. Okay, so once you made your last petal, you're going to finish up with chain 3 1 2 3, and you're going to slip stitch at the first stitch right here. Right here, chain 1 to secure stitches, and cut the yarn. Okay, this is how it looks like. I'm going to tidy up at the back. Okay, so there you have it. Okay, so I hope you find this tutorial easy to follow. If you have any question, leave your question at the comment section down below. I will try my very best to reply. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video and share this video with your fellow crochet friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and click on the bell notification. That way you'll be notified every time when I upload a video. And yeah, that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care everyone. God bless and bye.